All right, so there isn't much. Oh wow, what are you doing? Showing off?
Yes.
Okay, go ride your tractor.
Huh?
Go ride your tractor. So there isn't much footage of us loading up the scrap in this upcoming video here in a minute, but pay attention. Just make sure you watch the end of this video. That's the best part. So and listen to what Badger says, because it's very funny. I think it's funny anyway. But anyway, it's relatively short, and like I said, I didn't show much of us loading scrap because it was 10,000 degrees today and we were busy. Okay, buddy, you can see it. Tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And we're back. So, got a little bit of the HVAC company's stuff that they let us get. Might be 100 pounds of ACRs up there, close to it anyway. Sealed units, electric motors, the normal stuff. A bucket of transformers, bucket of dirty brass, a little bit of number 2 copper, and a bucket full of number 1. Got a buddy of mine's dump trailer I borrowed. Really kind of close there. Okay. All right. So we're Badger's got a plan of shoving the trailer into the dump trailer as I cut it into pieces. So we'll see. So we'll see how this goes. Now we're going to drive the backhoe. We're going to drive the backhoe to the plumber's. He's got a couple lawn tractors and bush hogs to go get. So anyway, we'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
A little gobble into the,
yeah.
That's an owl gobble this time.
So we just hit the plumber's. Since we've been here, there's already 5 or 6 water tanks and stuff, but we came here, got 2 riding mowers up there and a pretty heavy bush hog on this side. So
and then we got our little bonuses.
Yeah, we still got we're gonna turn in all this. We had some aluminum and the brass that we left here.
And the copper.
Both batteries had, both mowers had batteries in them, so that's always good.
That's a plus for us.
So we're on the road.
You know the Badger, this is shit.
Oh yeah, Badger likes that wire, huh?
Damn right. Fucking pull now.
Swung by the HVAC place. Got a little bit of mess to pick up here, not a whole lot. Well, Badger, can you manage that, or do you need help?
Oh, I need the bucket.
Okay. All right. Well, hang on. We'll leave this right about here, and we'll fling that stuff on real quick.
See if I had a lip down there where I could grab this. Oh, Badger. Badger, get ready to get fucked up. Oh, there's a couple.
Nice little ACR in that one.
Oh, yeah.
More wire for the Badger. Oh, he's got a handful over there.
Goodness. They're looking up for the Badger in the market.
Handle that.
Sure. They needed some more shit out here.
Okay, so let's check out this little payday. Okay, so the load that me and Badger split, which is had a little bit of clean cast, sheet aluminum, batteries. Those lawnmowers had batteries in them. More clean aluminum, brass, and number 1 copper. So let me see if I can get some sunlight on the subject here. Brass. The ticket, he gave us number 1 for that number 2, by the way.
He did?
Yeah. Anyway, we had 46 pounds of brass for $64, 12 pounds of number 1 copper for $25, etc., for a total of $104. Me and Badger split that because I'm a nice guy. And then
oh shit, the Bobcat done fucked up. The Bobcat done put it all on him like
the dump trailer, the steel that was in that is right there. Weighed 3,380 pounds, 135 for that. 98 pounds of clean aluminum copper radiators. Wasn't far off on my guess there. That was for 88. 422 pounds of sealed units for 42. Clean brass 25. Copper, etc. 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 Total of 378. Fantastic. Badger, how'd you like that $52 a piece?
Absolutely. That was damn good. I mean, they broke that down no better.
Yeah.
104.
Yeah, 52 a piece.
And to show you how good the Bobcat is, he gave me 53. I thank you very much.
And
Very much.
from the lawnmowers and stuff we picked up, Badger scavenged out some wire. A little bit of number 2 insulated. So, that's it. Okay, I think we're out of here. Did you close the gates, Badger?
Yes.
Okay, on to the next.
Blew up?
No. All right, so here comes a little bonus footage for you guys. Since this video is extra short, we got a professional cameraman, Badger, so you can see what's going on here. Don't touch nothing. All you gotta do is watch.
Just watch the action. Y'all see the black car? Watch the damn Bobcat now. The Bobcat's a fool, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Look at him. See him going? This is what he gets his kicks off of. Just watch this crap, man. You're gonna fucking enjoy this, though. Here he comes. Look, how about another one, he says. Oh, man, absolutely. Oh, that was even a better one. How about one more? Can you get one more out of it? Oh, good speed. That was a good one. Oh, look at the back of this one now. Look at the damn bumper. Just hanging. The bumper just fucking shot.
Turn the windshield wipers on the black one. So for anybody that doesn't watch all my videos, this black Hyundai, oh, we even turned the wipers on. This thing's been a trooper. It went through hell. It still runs. It's sitting here running. So it took that beating pretty good. Got 2 more dead ones over there. I think the Neon runs. I don't know. But anyway, that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. I don't know if that last clip showed the total devastation of the Hyundai in general. That's another car. This car and the one I just backed into, the Hyundai. I take dirt racing every once in a while at a buddy of mine's farm. He's got a really nice track he made himself. But yeah, old Hyundai still hanging tough. Backed it on in here, still runs and drives, other than the quarter panel being mashed into the tire, etc. Pretty bad. If you guys haven't watched the video where I destroy this, I think it's Hyundai Destruction and Scrap Runs. The thumbnail picture is of my rollback with a big combine, like a corn combine from a farm on it. Check that one out. And of course, I still have the $100 Ford pickup sitting here running. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I might try and stick it on Craigslist and sell it. It'd be a shame to scrap that, but the oil pressure gauge reads 0 sometimes and has a lot of issues, so I don't know. But either way, we can always scrap it or do another burnout, like in that video. All right, I think this is seriously going to be the end of it. So again, thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Okay, so update on the Neon that I talked about a minute ago. I can't get in the hood. It's been a front end accident to try and get it to jump start, etc. So we'll just move it with the forklift, and the Honda right there is going to be the same way. That has no keys. So anyway, if you can't get your car jump started, just grab your forklift and move it where you want it.